Washing your hands on Global Handwashing Day. Step 1. Wet your hands with warm water and a little bit of soap. Step 2. Rub the palms of your hands together and do this for 10 seconds. Step 3. Rub the back of your left hand with your right hand and do this for 10 seconds. Step 4. Now rub the back of your right hand using your left hand and do this for 10 seconds. Step 5. Hook your fingers together like this and scrub away, and don't forget 10 seconds. Step 6. Gently squeeze your right thumb with your left hand and rub, and do this for 10 seconds. Step 7. Now gently squeeze your left thumb with your right hand and rub, and do it for 10 seconds. Step 8. It's time for those nails. Rub the nails of your right hand in the palm of your left, and then swap over and do the left hands in the palm of your right. Don't forget 10 seconds for each. And step 10, you're at the end. Just rinse off all that soap and dry your hands with a clean towel. A massive well done.